How do you evaluate expressions with logarithms? Let's take a look. This one looks intense, but don't worry, we can get there with math. Say we have 10 to the y equals 100,000. Logarithms work like this. If we have this expression, this corollary expression solves for the exponent. So over 10 to the third equals x, log base 10 of x equals 3. For this equation, log base 10 of 100,000 equals y, so y is 5. Let's see another. 3 to the x equals 243. What's x? Since I don't know many powers of 3, I'm going to break this up. To show how this works, here's something easier, a power of 10. You can use the exponents on smaller powers to find bigger ones. So for our example here, 243 is 9 times 27, so we can say log base 3 of 243 equals log base 3 of 9 plus log base 3 of 27, so 2 plus 3, or 5, so 3 to the 5th equals 243. Here's another. 2 to the x equals 4 squared. Let's use a logarithm, even though it's easy. Log base 2 of 4 equals 2. Log base 2 of 4 squared equals 4. So log base 2 of 4 squared equals 2 times log base 2 of 4. Just multiply by the exponent by moving it to the front. What about roots? You know because of exponent rules that taking an n root of something is the same as raising it to a power of the reciprocal of n. So taking a square or second root is the same as raising it to the 1/2 power. So we can convert here and use the last rule we established to simplify this. I accidentally made that 1/2 too big. I think we're ready to evaluate the complicated one. Well, log base e of e is just 1, so since we can pull that negative 10 to the front, that chunk is negative 10. Now, fourth root of 64 is going to be 64 to the 1/4. And 64 is just 8 squared, so we can pull both of those to the front to get 1/2 of 3, or 3/2 for that chunk. Now let's look at the top. There are a lot of roots going on here, but we can turn all of those into exponents and multiply using exponent rules. Now we can move this 1/12 just to the front. Then we can begin to simplify these easy chunks since they're already pretty broken up. We already know log base 3 of 243 is 5, and log base 3 of 81 is 9 squared, so 2 times log base 3 of 9. And log base 3 of 3 is 1. So we can turn all of this into integers and add it up, multiply, and simplify. As you can see, this helps us simplify many expressions, and hopefully this can help dispel any fear you have of logarithms and help you evaluate all sorts of expressions with ease. Thanks for watching.